All right. So, this is not a next day. This is literally hours later after my previous video because I guess opening packs is like the lottery, and like I guess I'm just a horrible gambling addict. And so now we have 3 new things to choose from. Well, 2 new things because the other one is, you already saw that one. So I will start with that one, and that's going to be the video for this one. But afterwards we will open the other 2, and that's going to be freaking dope. Okay, all right, but yeah, got this. Cool. Got this. We already opened one. And open another one. And this is, oh gosh, I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Something, and I think he likes it. But this is it today. Not today, right now. Bam, 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 bam. I should probably get like some like real background music, but you will have to settle with me while I grow and get better at this business thing. No, that's not gonna stand up there. Never mind. Maybe you can put it there. Oh yeah. That's all you can out. Alrighty, let's go. No time to waste. Bam, bam. Bam, bam. Alrighty. 1, 2, 3, 4, or did I do that wrong? I think I did that wrong. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Okay. I think it's right now. Okay. Legendary Flame Swordsman. Giant Soldier of Stone. Love this guy. I'm trying to find like the right lighting for you. Okay. Thunder Dragon. I hate this card. A guy. Oh my god. I think he was one of my first like gay crushes in my life. Guy of the Fierce Knight was definitely one of my first gay crushes in life. Yeah, you too, Shiny Angel. Shut up. Gosh darn. Gaia Power. Still lame. Umar. Oh, yeah. This was one of the first cards I ever had in my life. And... oh, God. Okay. Another gay crush. Another gay crush. Legend, the mystical genie of the lamp. Let's go. In holographic, he finally got the fucking fame he deserved. Do you understand how powerful he was at 4 stars when fucking Yu-Gi-Oh just came out? Hell no, no one was fucking with that guy, dude. Nobody. You pulled that guy out, he was fucking wrecking shit. I was in 2nd grade, I was 7 years old, and that dude was just like, nah, dude, you want issues? Come get them. Alright, I think I'm getting better at this now. Alright. We're gonna get a Blue Eyes on this. I can feel it. Mask of Darkness. Polly. Arm Ninja. Shh. Let's see. Is that a better lighting? Might be. Oh, it's for the harpies. Because they're all so attractive and hot. Toon World. Oh gosh. I remember this one. Gosh, dude. Like, what the fuck were they even thinking? When they made this card, they're like, let's just make a super fucking, like, humanoid type bug type thing. Motion Destruction. And, oh, I went too fast, guys. Catapult Turtle. For some reason, this has always held a special place in my heart. So, thank you, Catapult Turtle. Alrighty. We're on to the next one. I really gotta get like a ring light or something. I understand there's like a bad glare. Okay, I'm not strong, guys. I'm really not. I'm not strong. I'm weak. Okay, okay. Awesome. Great. Thank you. Polly. Baby Quaggin. Flame. Gaia. Germ, the most useless card. It's not useless, it's actually very useful. Oh, does that mean Relinquish is in this pack? That's cool. A Wet Dream. And let's see, let's play with it. Oh, no way, Lorda D. Lorda D's gotta be in here too then. Alright. That's not a bad pull. I can respect it. Did you rip me off, Konami? Maybe a little bit, but it's okay. I've been ripping myself off my entire life. Bam, 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 bam. Alrighty. Oh, yes, sir. Cannon Soldier. Arm Ninja. Elegant. Egotist. I used to fuck with this card so hard. Yep, and just giant bug. UFO turtle. Oh, is this it? Oh, no, not yet. What can it be? What can it be? Oh, now we only need one more to get it together. Because we got the other guy. Cool. Alrighty, guys. On to the next video.